Oh, bobber went down. Is he on there? Yeah, we hooked up. Let's get this net together. Okay. Fighting now. Always use cut bluegill once the sun go down. That's what they like. It's a pretty decent sized fish. I always come to the Pay Lake because I know for a fact there's fish in here. And it don't take too long to get hooked up. It'd be nice to have someone out here with me. Just heard something in the bushes trying to creep up on me. Uh-oh. Let me check this out. All right, we good, y'all. Oh yeah, that's a decent sized fish. Y'all stay tuned for the next episode of Flipping and Flopping. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. Until next time.